Hello everyone. In this episode of Smart Life, we'll cover the top 5 models available in the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, popularity, price, and more. I've included options for every type of buyer. So, if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. Please check the link in the description below for more details. Let's dive into the video.
If you are looking for the best laptop under $500, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Lenovo Chromebook C332 in 1 convertible laptop. Get this high-performance convertible laptop under $500. The Chromebook C330 kicks start in the blink of eyes and runs on easy-to-use Chrome OS. There is enough memory and storage available. Lenovo Chromebook C330 is the 360 to the power of 0 convertible laptop, which is just 1 inch thin and weighs equals to a hardback book. It has an 11-inch touchscreen display. The Lenovo Chromebook is the best Chromebook laptop under $500. Lenovo Chromebook is compatible with all the latest standards. Further, its Chrome OS gives a suite of collaborative apps and services perfect for group work or individual play. Number 2. ASUS F512JA AS34 VivoBook 15 Thin and Light Laptop. If our other picks are unavailable, we recommend the ASUS VivoBook 15 F512JA AS34. It has our recommended specs: a Core i3 processor, 8 GB of memory, and a solid-state drive, so it'll give you better performance than our other picks without requiring you to add memory. But its screen is a horrible-looking TN panel, and you can't upgrade that later, unlike memory. The VivoBook 15's keyboard and trackpad are about as good as those of our other picks, and it has a reliable fingerprint reader that in our tests worked immediately every time we used it. Number 3. Acer Chromebook Spin 311 Convertible Laptop. Chromebook runs on Chrome OS, an operating system by Google that is built for the way we live today. It comes with built-in virus protection, updates automatically, boots up in seconds, and continues to stay fast over time. All the Google apps you know and love come standard on every Chromebook, which means you can edit, download, and convert Microsoft Office files in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Comes with 15.6 inches Full HD, 1920 by 1084, way Nano Edge bezel display, latest 10th Gen Intel Core i3, 1005G1 CPU, and 8 GB DDR4 RAM. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Go. Here comes one of the most eye-catching laptops in our list of best laptops under 500 Consumer Reports. With 1.3 pounds, Microsoft Surface Go can be said to be the lightest and smallest laptop on our list. This laptop works on Windows 10 and the new Surface Go running Office and is powered by an Intel Pentium Gold 4415Y processor. Its 10-inch Pixel Sense display with touchscreen is ideal for working, browsing as well as watching. With 128 GB and 8 GB RAM, this laptop can give you up to 9 hours of video playback. Battery life varies with usage. Number 5. Samsung Chromebook Plus V22 in 1 laptop. The Samsung Chromebook Plus V2 Chromebook Plus is an incredibly lightweight laptop for under $500. You can easily fold it. It has a built-in pen. Samsung Chromebook Plus V2 has a built-in dual-camera fold. You can easily handle your workload with one charge using its long-lasting battery and an Intel Celeron processor. This lightweight 2-in-1 Chromebook under $500 comes with 64 GB of built-in memory. You can quickly expand this by using a quality micro SD card. Samsung Chromebook Plus V2 is ideal for anyone, for professional use to school or college work with an affordable price tag.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.